slithered out of their filthy bogs. Everyone off the ship.
Everyone disembarks.
Are you kidding me? Sailors, damn it. Faster! Oh, for fuck's sake. What meat, sir? Yegayuranga Brai! Yedeka!
These idiots can't even share a damn shore.
Raise it!
Shut the hell up. Another word, and I'll use your skulls as ballast. Fuck it. The northern clan is ashore. At sunrise, they march from Wolf Bay. At first light tomorrow, we head for the Vulture clan. They have received the message.
No.
I hope the Vultures are wise enough to see their own profit.
Hold your people in line. Don't allow old feuds to flare up. And one more thing. Don't screw this up.